say who we are, what brought us here, and what we're working on now in VR, like what our VR interests are. So I'm Daniel Buchanan. What brought me here was I started this group back in January with David Denton and Lee Martin when they pretty much backed me into a corner and said, you guys got to start this VR group in Knoxville. This needs to be something that we do here. And I agreed with them. So we are here meeting at the KEC, and what I'm working on now is really a lot of 360 video stuff because it's kind of exciting to me.
Hi everybody, my name's Brandon Collins. I'm from Morristown. I've been following VR since the DK1 days back in like 2012. I've played about the past year and a half. I've gotten into Unity 3D, modeling with Blender, texturing. I've been using Substance Painter and Substance Designer if anybody's into texturing, so I've been into that. My current projects, I'm just recreating my sort of basement studio area into sort of like a 1-in-1 scale. I'm really looking forward to the room scale tracking when the Bob comes out, hopefully this year. My brother also, he was meant to be here, but he does program with me, so we're sort of like a little duo. But that's about it. And anything else related to VR, any kind of emerging technology that's related to VR, I'm interested as well. So cool.
My name is Christian Ferrer, and I'm a freelance software consultant, and basically work at 3 things: cloud infrastructure, data infrastructure, and development. And one day I had a client tell me that they were interested in VR stuff, and so I had a good friend that told me about Daniel's group, and I've been coming for the past 3 groups, and it's been really interesting.
Welcome.
I'll pass due to general lameness, just checking things out or taking a peek.
Hi. I'm Walt Lansbury. I've been attending for a while, on and off. My early background is aerospace engineering, and now I'm into programming, my second career. Doing a lot of things, but unfortunately I haven't been able to touch VR creation yet. Just been watching and learning from these meetings. However, Daniel has caught my ear just a few minutes ago. He suggested that we get together with some people and get the HoloLens. So since I'm already enrolled in the Microsoft Insider program, which is required for that, I'm thinking about fronting that. So we'll see how it goes.
My man,
So,
we've got it on film. He said it. That's awesome. Yeah, it's a great idea.
That's cool. I'm Augustine Gattuso. I just found out about this club recently. It's only my second time here. VR has been an interest of mine for a while, and I'm interested in everything entrepreneurial, so I think it's really neat that Knoxville is doing something like this. So that's why I'm here.
I'm Tim G. I do some computer vision work. We do some vehicle tracking work with fisheye video. I'm kind of on the side and playing with some computer graphics and such.
So I'm David Page. I'll be talking tonight. I have a part of a small startup that's got a holographic, not a hologram, but a holographic display. We'll talk about that some tonight. And I'm here because Daniel's a pretty cool guy. I've enjoyed getting to know VR from him. I'll let my daughter introduce herself.
Yeah.
My name is Grace.
She knows how to run the Google box.
Yeah.
My name is Michael McCray. I work for Script Networks, and I mainly do create 3D graphics for home and room reveals, and we also do visualization for legacy projects they have internally. And so I've just been messing around with building environments and put them in VR to help them visualize what is actually going on.
Thank you.
Greetings, I'm Rob Eddy. I have a small B2B technical communications company in town called Holography, and we do 2D and 3D animation, among other things, technical illustration kind of stuff. And this is my first meeting. I'm here to learn more about AR and VR and how we can start producing content on those platforms. So
Cool.
that's why I'm here.
Thanks, Rob.
I'm Ted Patterson. I actually am jobless. I just moved back from living in China for the last 3 years. Worked in an air purification company as the chief creative officer or something. And I did a lot of, like he was just talking about, making sure that we were tapped into any kind of illustration or any kind of way we could tell our story, whether through animation, Actually, back in 2003, I ran around and stitched images for this guy and did like
Nice.
this kind of like it was all for like home sales. And I kind of got into it then. I've used GoPros and some like what is it called, like 360 recording. I haven't done it in a long time, but yeah, it's all very interesting, and I'm super stoked that Knoxville has this first meetup meeting for myself. So
Cool.
glad to meet people that are enthusiasts and actually doing something.
Yeah. Welcome.
I second that.
I'm Nathan Patterson. I'm his brother, and he dragged me along.
Welcome.
My name is Mitch Downey. I have a hardware high-tech startup, Iridescent Imaging, and I'm looking for assistance, feedback, anything that this group can offer for a UI user interface for the system.
I'm Ron Michaels. I'm the technical director of Phenotype Screening Corporation. My interest here is we're interested in using these techniques to model above ground part of corn and other types of plants. My company does the evaluation of the effects of genetics and treatments on plant growth.
I'm Clayton Ginn. I just started developing in Unity 3D and started making my own stuff, and just curious.
Awesome.
Sounded interesting.
Yeah.
So I'm here.
Cool.
Hey guys, I'm Clearwater Hawes. I got into virtual reality in my sophomore year of high school in 1991, and I basically followed it since then. 20 years later, I've been in the music industry for a very long time. I run some record labels and I do sound design. And when Lucky came on the scene and kind of rejuvenated everything that's going on from that end of things, kind of post-Jerry Lanier, I got involved again, and I've got both the DK systems. I thought about doing an AR system, but it was outside of my technical expertise. I knew 3D Studio Max, and I knew this and that and the other. I found myself getting back to the audio end of things, and I'm interested in working on positional audio systems with someone. So that's why I'm here. I found you guys on the meetup site, and I'm in the Asheville area, actually, so
Sweet.
drove on over to say hi.
Welcome.
I'm Rob Osborne, and my good friend Clayton here told me about the group, and so the topic seemed very interesting. I want to help them in what I can, so I'm here.
Sweet.
Looking forward to it.
So it sounds like the meetup group is working. We have a Facebook group too if you're on Facebook. There's a website with a mailing list. You want to get on the mailing list. It's real exciting. And that's it. So stay connected as much as you can. Facebook probably sees the most activity.